How to change server or region in Stumble guys. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your server or region in Stumble guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Stumble guys app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the settings icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are inside the settings section, ensure that you are in the General tab. And now in the General tab, you can see the option labeled Server Region. Now to change the region, you simply have to tap on Change. And in the pop-up menu that appears, you can see the list of region. So you can simply tap on the region that you want to change. And after doing that, your server will be automatically updated and you are all good to go. And that's it. You have successfully changed your server in Stumble guys in just few simple steps. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.